Okay, so if you saw my Instagram story, you know why we're here. Ta-da! Yeah, it's about to go down. Maybelline sent over 10 of their Teddy Tint lip stains, and of course, we're gonna try them out. I'm most excited for these two because I feel like one of them will be my perfect shade, but let's see. So we're just gonna go in order with the box. I'm such a lip tint girly because I love the clean girl makeup look, and I feel like a clean girl makeup look always requires a lip tint, like stain, tint, it has to. My everyday makeup look is minimal makeup and glass skin. That's clean girl to me. Very little makeup, glass skin, and a lip tint, and you're good to go for the day. But when the night comes, full coverage everything. So these are supposed to be buildable, so we're gonna try both a clean girl look and a full coverage look and see how it shows up. Starting off with shade 60 Cool Grudge. Okay, she's a pretty pink. I'm gonna do straight clean girl, which I don't use any lip liner. I just go straight stain and lip gloss. So let's see. Oh, that's creamy. Ooh, that's creamy. Velvety. Ooh. Okay. Very much clean, very much could be my natural lip color, and that's exactly what you want for a clean girl makeup look. So, super happy. Don't want to try it with gloss. Let's see it with a gloss. My regular lip gloss that I put on every day. Perfect. And this goes great with a natural look. But wait, let's try her with a nighttime look. I'm just gonna line with a brown pencil. Stop it. Yeah, because not only was the application seamless, it blends perfectly. I can't I can't complain about anything. It's perfect. Let's try the next color. This is shade 95 Buffed Out. She is a true nude. They're all nudes. Did I mention they're nudes? They're nudes. I just like how creamy these are. Most like tints, they're like watery. Ooh! Why do these all look so natural? Like, again, this could be my natural lip color. This is getting scary because I didn't know my natural lips could be so many colors. Okay, she's cute. She applies well. Does she transfer? Like, she cute and all, but will my boyfriend be mad if I kissed him with this on? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, would my boyfriend be mad at me if I kissed him with my Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint on my lips? You see what it said, and he better not be getting smart. Probably not, but no one can know for sure how your boyfriend would feel except your boyfriend. If you're asking whether the lipstick itself would be an issue, Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint is designed to be relatively long-wearing and transfer-resistant. I'll just see for myself. Okay. You got me. You got me. I'm gonna kiss you. And I think for this look, I want to try to build the stain up because this is a true nude. And I feel like it would look really good if it was like ombre with this liner. Just what I thought. Oh yeah. T. Next color. So I'm hoping this is a really cute pink. I think it's my favorite color. Okay. I'm loving that these are all brown girl friendly because y'all know most of the time we have to wear liner with everything or it doesn't look right. I ain't too mad at this. For no liner, let's add the liner. Are we in love or are we in love? I'm in love. Next color. I don't think I said the name of the last one I just did. It was Robin Tint. This is the one that I was so excited for. Her name is Soft Era number 85. I think she's gonna be so me. So me. Oh yeah. I mean, as soon as I put it on. I'm so happy. She is sexy. I just want to go straight gloss, no liner. Did I not say that this was going to be my natural shade? I said it. You saw it. I be knowing. I be knowing. Yeah, this is my winner. Well, still got 6 to go, but I love her. But that just goes to show with this much shade range, you're gonna find your true shade. Yo shade, no shade. Next color. I'm actually really excited for this next shade because she's really a brown. And I love a brown lip. She is called Faux Freckle. So not brown, but more red. Hold on. Ooh. Do that match my eyeshadow? Let me look at my mirror. Okay. I just feel like I'm gonna be able to grab one of these every day and just go. It don't even matter. I can just reach, pick one up, put it in my purse, go. They all look freaking amazing. I don't know, because now I want to say this one's my favorite, and I already said one was my favorite, so y'all gonna call me a liar if I call this one my favorite. Right? I don't think we need to line this one. We're gonna see what she looks like with a gloss, because I feel like it's gonna eat real bad. Did I lie? Did I lie? I'm not a liar. I'm a truther and the lie ain't in me. She eats down. Okay, no, this is, I don't care what y'all say about me. This one is my favorite. Talk about your mama. Next color. So we are halfway through the box, and as I told you guys, these shades are so good, so diverse, so easy to apply. You're gonna find your true shade. I mean, I personally don't feel like it's anything wrong with buying all 10. And if your man tries to stop you, you need to drop that 0 and get somebody who loves you and supports you in your habits. Moving on to shade 105 Velvet Choker. Not she choking people. Let's see. Okay, girl. Oh, that's a little bit too true to my color. You can't really even see it. That's my real lip color. I've said that already, haven't I? But y'all can see I'm not lying. Like, this really is my true. I'm not a liar. I'm a truther and the lie ain't in me. This is my real lip color. They took my lip color and put it in a bottle. That's crazy. Okay, so if you are wondering, this is my real on-the-go lip color. Like, this is the color that I would truly put on, throw on some lip gloss, and just go. And I mean, shoot, let's go right in. Am I lying? Does this not look like, bruh? I love when my hair is done. I love when my lips are done. Oh yeah, I'm ready for the beach. She's that girl. She's me, I'm her, this is us, this is we, enjoy it. So if you're my shade, Even say the name of this? Velvet. We're Velvet Choker. Imagine being Velvet Choker and a Scorpio. They call us toxic. Next color. Coffee date. Number 115. When I think of a coffee date, I always think of like going somewhere with my girlfriends because I've never been on a coffee date with a guy. I don't think I date guys who drink coffee. Isn't that weird? Well, no. Okay, so this is like, I would wear this in the fall. Oh, but it's so pretty. Oh, yes. So I would kill this in the day for a fall look. Nighttime, she's a stunner. Just for kicks and giggles, I want to see her with a brown.
Oh, yeah.
The consistency of this is so creamy. I don't think this shade even needs a gloss on top of it. This is just eating on its own. Maybelline, y'all know something. You know what? My grandma used to do Maybelline, and my grandma always knew something. Literally, she always knew something. Couldn't hide no pregnancy from her, I'll tell you that much. Both of my grandmothers were classic women. One was an AKA, one was the first lady of the church. Don't play with them. They knew their stuff. Rest in peace to both of my beautiful ladies. And it didn't come off. Next color. Number 100, shade Kitten Heel. Mind you guys, this is a lip tint. So it's not supposed to be, what's the word I'm looking for, like heavy? And it's not heavy. The whole point is for this to look natural, like your lips. These are 10 out of 10 to me, like every last one that I've tried. Because I feel like we haven't done a lot of building. Let's build her up and then add a gloss. Down. Very buildable. Gloss. She cute. I want to say these taste good, but does that sound greedy? Am I eating a lip tint? Why do I taste something? Next color. 120 In Game. In Game, it sounds like you got a little plot twist up your sleeve. When I think In Game, I'm like, checkmate. Over. Don't play with me.
Ooh. Ah, she's pink. Okay.
Oh yeah. This is my daytime look. My daytime lip. This is mine. I don't care if I said it already. Bite me, bitch. In my defense, Your Honor, I hadn't seen this shade yet. Only God can judge me. Did I mention this was my favorite? Daytime. Because I still like that brown one we had for the nighttime for summer. This is, okay, what's her name? In Game. So I'm In Game in the daytime, Velvet Choker at night. Since this is going to be my true everyday shade, I feel like I should do what I would do every day and top it. Again, my everyday clean girl look, I do not add a liner. I just do tint, straight tint, and gloss. Last shade. So we are on our last shade of our journey into girl world for today. And she is number 130, shade Tomato Girl. So Tomato Girl, I'm going to assume, of course, red, obviously. I'm thinking more of the soft red, though, like kind of like a reddish pink. Okay, it's looking a little bit tomato. Oh. Okay, so I lied. Sue me. She is a true red. By all means, if you need a red lip. I just love the velvet application because it makes it not look streaky. Usually when you do like red lips, you really got to go over it because if you have like a line or a crease in your lips, it's not going to get covered the first swap. But with this, because it's like really creamy, it gets down into every line and there's like no piece of lip left behind. Okay. If you want to be sexy, boss lady, this is your girl, of course. With every red lip, we need a liner. So, and did you think I was going to leave you with an unlined red lip? You're cray-cray. And yes, I line my red lip with brown lip pencil. I know a lot of people use black or burgundy. Brown works for me. Black works for me too. Burgundy has worked for me before. I have my brown pencil with me, so. Oh yeah. It's giving grown and sexy. For sure. She's definitely an it girl though. Pull up on your boo looking all businessy and sophisticated. He gonna be like, ooh girl. Like a girl been making deals all day. I think you guys can tell that I really like this one. I'm not gonna say it's my favorite though, because I love a good red lip either way it goes. Like I knew I was gonna like it. But if we want to do my top 3, what my top 3 were, of course, Velvet Choker. Duh. In Game. Tomato Girl. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was fun and educational. I do recommend these lip tints. They're definitely a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. In the meantime, if you end up trying out any of these nude shades, I want to know which one you tried out and which one you liked it. If you pair it with a different thing that I used, comment so I can try it out, because girl, I'm always looking for a beauty tip. I tip you, you tip me, we tipping on fofos. You guys enjoyed and had fun. Gotta go.